Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Jamaicans paid roughly 6% more for food items in the last year. Inflation data released by the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, STATIN, showed there were also higher prices for non-alcoholic beverages. Javon Keys reports.
Consumers faced an average 6.3% rise in prices for goods in the food and non-alcoholic beverages category. This was for the 12-month period ended August 2024. STATIN says food prices in particular were up an average 6.3%, mainly as a result of a 17% increase in the cost of fruits and nuts. Vegetables, tubers, plantains, cooking bananas and pulses also went up with a 10.8% increase. Within the fruits and nuts class, there were higher prices for ripe bananas, papaya, pineapples, watermelon, and dried coconut. STATIN says the vegetables, tubers, plantains, cooking bananas, and pulses class was impacted by increased prices for produce such as sweet pepper, tomato, cucumber, yam, and green bananas. Looking at the month of August 2024 alone, the cost of food and non-alcoholic beverages was up an average 4.1%. STATIN says this is the highest monthly increase since the start of the new Consumer Price Index CPI series in April 2020. Compared to July, food prices specifically went up by 4.3%. Non-alcoholic beverages increased by 0.4%. The National Statistics Agency says the upward movement in the food group was due to higher prices for most agricultural produce due to supply shortages caused by Hurricane Beryl's impact on the agricultural sector. St. Elizabeth, a key supplier for some produce, was the hardest hit parish. The increase in non-alcoholic beverages was influenced mainly by a 0.5% increase in fruit and vegetable juices and a 0.3% rise in the cost of water, soft drinks, and other non-alcoholic beverages. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Jamaicans now have access to another digital wallet and microfinancing solution through MineLend. The digital lending platform has been launched in Jamaica through a strategic venture between JMMB Group, Liberty Latin America, and Flow Jamaica. In an audio clip shared with our news center, CEO of MineLend, Elson James, says the offering introduces an alternative credit scoring methodology to provide credit decisions for users.
50,000 in as low as 10 minutes, anytime, anywhere. MineLend is accessible via a WhatsApp invitation from Flow to select mobile customers. After accepting the invitation, customers are sent an invitation code from MineLend that takes them to the Google Play Store to download the Mine app. After completing the quick registration process, customers can apply for a loan. If approved, the funds are sent to a secure digital Visa card that is housed within the app.
Head of Flow Jamaica, Stephen Price, says its uses are similar to any Visa credit or debit card.
They'll have access to this 100% digital lending app with a tap and pay solution, which means that in partnership with brands like Visa, you'll have a virtual Visa card on your phone, and wherever there are point of sale machines across the country, you can tap and pay using the funds that you've gotten from your loans.
Users may also withdraw physical cash at JMMB locations. Payment to the loans may be made through Bill Express. The Jamaican dollar has hit a new record low, down 21 cents compared to the U.S. currency. At the close of trading today, the greenback is being sold for an average $158.83. The last record was set on September 11, when $1 US was being sold for an average $158.78. Now the Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.72. $209.30 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $174.42. To the markets now, the JSE main index lost 1,168 points today, while the junior market declined by 28 points. Among the 34 winners, Jetcon Corporation, Trans-Jamaican Highway 8% shares, CAC 2000, QWI Investments, and The Lab. The 24 losers include Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, Margaritaville Turks, Express Catering, Iron Rock Insurance, and Everything Fresh. 24 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.